more package for products to review. Okay, so this is another set of earbuds. This is called CozyFit. So these are the ones that they call open ear. So these go over your ear, it doesn't go into the ear tunnel. So this is much safer for riding a bike or running outside, because you can listen to the environment around you. So we'll do this while we go on the bike. So let's see these Lytmi CozyFit Open-Ear Earbuds. It's the typical USB-C wire to recharge them. Nice box, nice case. Here it is. This one I actually don't know if they're charged, so let's read the instructions first. It has a chart here, how to operate it. You touch and hold. So these pads are the functions. Touch and hold 4 seconds to turn them on. It's on, I heard it. Let's do this one. Okay. And actually, it's very hard to see maybe, but it's blinking right here. So they're on. Triple tap to activate or disable voice assist. 1, 2, 3. Double answer or end call. Reject the call. So here's the whole thing. You learn as you use them, obviously. So pretty basic information. Charging time 2 hours. Doesn't say how much they'll stay on, but we'll find out, I guess. And here's a lot of information for customer support. A little bit of more information. We pair them using Bluetooth. And let's try here. Here's the actual graphic for the touch area in the earbud, which is here on top. So they seem to be charged, so I don't need the wire. And let me see what this QR code is for. Maybe an app. Well, actually, it's the user manual. We just went through it. But this is easier to read. So, better than the printed one. Let's see, Bluetooth. It's looking for it. I have a lot of stuff here. Here it is. So it's completed. Actually, even though it's far from me, I can hear them. So they work. I'm going to take these plastic covers from the charging spot. And they seem to be ready to be used. So here's the closed case. The green light indicates they're ready to use. So we're gonna go out for a bike ride later and use them. And the benefit of these open ear buds is that you hear whatever it comes through your phone, but also you are aware of what's happening around you, which is a much safer way of riding bikes or doing anything else. Let's see if it has any graphics here. So no, it comes in different languages here. So this user manual comes in different languages, and that's what it is in here. It also connects you to all the social media pages, so you can find it. So the pairing was super easy, no problem there. So we're gonna go and try them now in a little bit. So here I am wearing the earbuds, and the cool thing is that I can still hear everything around me, like a car coming there. I heard it. I can still enjoy the music or answer phone calls or whatever is happening around me. So here's an example. A car just went by and I was able to hear it, but I'm still listening to music here. So I'm walking with Simon. Where are you? So there you have it. Really good product. I enjoyed it. I had a 45-minute bike ride, listened to a lot of music, listened to the cars around me. So I like this product. Thumbs up.